Unlock the secret to getting IPTV Smarters on your Firestick with our easy guide today. Gone are the days of complicated setups. Bring all your favorite channels to one place. Navigate through this process effortlessly, making your Firestick your ultimate entertainment hub. Starting with downloading IPTV Smarters, a simple app that transforms your viewing experience. Next, enhance performance by following our expert configuration tips, tailored for optimal streaming. Experience instant streaming gratification. Watch what you love anytime, without interruptions. Visit 2tv.store, our recommended provider for premium IPTV service. You won't be disappointed. Enjoy a vast array of global channels, all available seamlessly through one simple platform. Firestick users find this service a game changer. It's the best kept streaming secret. Say goodbye to complicated cable subscriptions and welcome streaming nirvana on your Firestick. Join the smart streaming revolution today. Transform how you watch TV with IPTV Smarters.